Morning folks, welcome back to another video. So this morning I'm at the pond, Stephenstown up in Dundalk. Now I came up to try photograph some birds on the pond, but when I got here I didn't realise that this pond is always covered in lily pads. Have a look. It's covered in lily pads, so the photos that I wanted to get I'm not going to get, just kind of down at water level with nice clear image with reflection, but I'm just going to have to make do. I'm going to have to try get creative with these lily pads now and take some photos of birds in the lily pads. There's a lot of moorhens, some juvenile moorhens kind of corrugating in all these lily pads. There's some coots out there with two juveniles, two chicks, but they're staying in the middle of the pond. They're not really leaving it. They don't come into the lily pads. I've just been here about an hour now, so I'm just watching. Quite a lot of ducks. That's about it really here today. So the plan for today is it's actually raining now as well, which wasn't forecasted. But alright, I'm moaning because I didn't expect these lily pads to be here, and they've kind of ruined what I wanted to get today. But I'm going to make do. There's a lot of moorhens, as I said, kind of in these lily pads, juvenile moorhens. So I'm going to do my best. I'm going to see can I photograph some of these moorhens in the lily pads. I can't really. This is kind of the best spot, but there's a dip, so I'm going to have to hold the camera. I don't have the tripod. I have the old frying pan with me, but I'm going to have to handhold, and oh my god, look at that. You see it? That's a baby robin. What are you doing? See that? That's cool. Right, so plan of action this morning, I'm going to try photograph these juvenile moorhens in these lily pads. I'll try get a bit of footage, but I'll mainly just concentrate and see can I get some photos of these guys, even just walking on the lily pads. Yeah, probably best just kind of walking on the lily pads, getting down low so I'll blur out the foreground, background, and yeah, I'll try to do my best. So that is the plan. It's about 6:30 in the morning, so the sun's well up. Sun rose at 5 o'clock, so there's nice light. It's overcast, which is perfect, and that robin is just flying all over me. Right, I'm going to put the GoPro down now, and I'm going to see can I get these moorhens in these lily pads. And let's see what we get, see can we make it work. So, I actually put the frying pan in the water because it's quite shallow, and I managed to get some footage and some nice images, I think. Probably would have already showed you, but have a look at some of these on the back of the camera. Where are they? Look. So I got some of the moorhen completely submerged, kind of in the green, in the lily pads. Lovely colours in the foregrounds, and lovely greens and yellows, and the background as well, kind of greens and yellows. Got some lovely shots, I think. So right, I'm going to start walking around the pond now. I'm going to go keep walking around, and I'm going to see what else I can get. But those moorhens were a great start to the morning. I think those photos are actually going to turn out quite nice, just because you have the really blurred out lily pads and the foreground and background, and then the moorhen down at eye level. So yeah, I think they're going to be nice. Right, let's keep walking around and see, can we see anything nice? I think I'm going to call it a day, guys, because it's getting late and there's not much going on other than the moorhens in the lily pads, the coots kind of corrugating around the edge, the swan trying to attack me, and that's pretty much it. There's some ducks, but they're quite skittish for ducks. Normally they're quite friendly and come over, but that's really it. I'm gonna call it a day. Got the moorhen, got the coot. Lovely few hours here at the pond, but I can see there's a car park up there. Cars starting to come in. I can hear dogs starting to bark. So once people come with their dogs, everything moves over into a little island in the middle. It's game over. So I'm gonna call it a day. Nothing spectacular, I don't think, but it's not all about getting good photos. It's just getting out with the camera and having a good time. So that said, hope you enjoyed it. Instagram, I'll probably throw one or two of those over on the Instagram. Sean Mead Photography. I'll leave a link down below, and also the website at SeanMeadPhoto.com. I'll definitely throw some photos over there. I'll leave a link to the website down below as well. But I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to shoot home, get a cup of coffee. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Wasn't too exciting, but it was a nice morning. So, thanks for watching, and sure, I'll see you on the next one.